Yes, good morning. Welcome to Technology TV Manipur. So today we are trying to discuss on the simulation of Arduino board. So usually we used to buy hardware and then we can do simulation in hardware also. But before buying a hardware is cost is also involved, but software you can just use a trial version or anything you can download from internet, and at the same time you can search from any crack site or something like that and you can make use of it. So these softwares are also available in Proteus software, and right now the version available with me is 8.9. So this software can be used for simulating Arduino, uh, but the program will be written in Arduino, and if you can write a program without Arduino, you can write it in this suite itself. Like you can use Atmal programming, like basic C or C++ programming, and you can also do the same coding in this Proteus design itself. That means the programming IDE is inbuilt within this, so it is quite useful for me. And those don't have those who don't want to do with the Arduino, you can do it with the Arduino. You can open the Arduino here itself, and in this tutorial I would like to show um, uh, examples on how to use this display. Okay, so I'm going to do a hello world display, and in this hello world display we have to connection as given in this detail, so we have to make the same connection as it is. Okay, so that same wiring can be done in the Proteus here. So before that we'll go and create a new project. Okay, and in this project we'll name it as a LCD display. Okay, I'll just type as LCD display, and you can create in any location wherever you like. And if you want to use a development board, you can click as a development board, or otherwise if you want to use a say new project, you can go ahead with the new projects. Okay, so I'll go ahead with the new project, and what type of details you want. So like say design template, you want a default, you can go default, or you want A4 size or anything, you can mention as your requirements here. So I'll just go with the default, and is asking what kind of PCB layout you want looking for. I want Arduino. Okay, so I'll be taking Arduino Uno revision 3 layout. I will be taking this. Then it will be asking some of the information, which is like a PCB design. So how many layers you want to design and what are the thickness of the copper. These details are default details. So keep it as it is. So not required. And okay, so next, and you want to create any firmware or flowchart, anything that you can do it. Otherwise no firmware project, then you can just say yes and finish it up. Okay, so now you are able to open a blank place here. So this is a PCB layout, so where your Arduino PCB will be looking like this. And here this is the where you are going to do the design here. So now here I'm going to from the library I will take Arduino. Okay, so Arduino R3, I'll just collect this. And oh sorry, I have to collect a few more components. Just drop this, then I'll connect a few more components like say LCD. Okay, a normal LCD. uh, okay, this LCD is okay. Okay, no, 16 into 2 is okay, so you can add this 16 into 2. And not any no other component is required. Okay, so uh, for that, so what I'll do is I'll just bring the LCD here on the top here. Okay, and this BSS and BEE can be short and directly connected to ground, so you just make a placement of ground here. And okay, so this will be connected to ground and this will be connected to ground. and this BDD you supply a 5 volt terminal that you can power here, and I'll just connect this power. Okay, yeah, so that's all. Now, what is given in Arduino that we need to understand here? So the Arduino is saying that the reset pin is pin number 12, enable is pin number 11. So reset pin is pin number 12, reset pin is pin number 12. Okay, and enable pin is pin number 11. So let me revalidate again. Uh, reset pin is pin number 12, enable pin is pin number 11. So here is the enable pin, so enable pin is pin number 11. Okay, and what about the write and okay, read and write you can make it ground. He's saying that read and write can be made into ground, so I'll just connect here, so grounded. Now I'm going to use only the MSB 4 bit transmission. So right from D4, D5, D6, D7 only will be used. So D4, D4 to D7 is corresponding to 5432. Okay, so D4 to D7, so 5432. So D4 to pin number 5. Okay, and here to pin number 4, and 6 pin number here, and I have. Okay, now this D7 I'll connect to pin number 2. Perfect. Okay, pin number 2. So D4 corresponds to 5. So D4 corresponds to 5 and D7 corresponds to pin number 2, nothing else. So this is the connection, and the program has been already done here. This sample program here, it is connecting here as a hello world. Here we'll use as okay, so tech, we'll say technology. Okay, TV. So I'll write here technology TV, and in the second line, okay, in the second line I will write Manipur. So in the second line, this is this, instead of making this count, you can do this counter somewhere in 16. Okay, and instead of this begin, I will do this cursor here. I'll put this cursor, and this cursor will be say 0, and I'll take 0. So 0 0 cursor, that is the first row, and if I take here 0 and second cursor. Okay, so this will be again cursor. So I'll just put here cursor. Okay, so that's all. So and in the last point of the cursor, so maybe this one I'll put it is 15. In 15 I will do one small counter, which will be milli counting. So that you can do it, correct? So this is very very simple. So now you can program, compile it, and let's see, temporary folder, uh, 3 3077. So where is my temporary folder? Here I can go to my temporary folder directly. You can copy here. 1 second. So here, 1 second. Control C. So what I'll do is I'll just go here, type in, and because this double quote it will not take, so I have to convert to single. Okay, and convert it to single here. No, it cannot open. So the last one I can delete it here. So this is the folder where it is stored. Here is the, this is a hex file. This hex file is required to copy and put it into that here. So what I'll do is I'll just put it here, lcd underscore display. I'll just make a folder. Okay, inside this folder I'll just save it this project, and then double click, I can open inside that folder so that I can put it my port into this folder, select this one and say okay. Now a microcontroller is programmed with the hex file, so you can just click here and run it. Yes, technology TV is coming here, and some one small counter is here. I was thinking of doing a small correction here. Instead of the last TV, I'll just put here as Manipur, so my logo will be working fine. So now I finished program. I can simply go to this folder, correct again. Once again, whenever you program, you have to copy this hex file and you paste it into the location. Okay, replace the old one, open, okay, then program it. Perfect. Now this is the milli counting, so this is counting in every second. So this will be keep counting, is an infinite counting. Fine. So this is a small example of how to use the Proteus 8.9 version with Arduino, and you guys don't need to buy an Arduino. You can do your simulation here. This is the actual working condition of an Arduino, so you can make use of it, and it will be very useful. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And at the same time, if you want any other work that you want to do it, or you want me to do it, you can just put it in the comment box. Okay, and the next video I will make it on it. Thank you, bye bye, have a nice time.